Mo memento Kumbui Academy student of Manna Nangnai. Where poor people will go? Zotono St. Paul's Auxilium does not take you just like that. They only need money. If you cannot fee, you are no one there. Kintu Kumpuyo Porinan Bagay ask fee nangyait. Suchini education afro success ngai. Jokon school hamiani charai kaham besai phaini. And tinizararo student phainai rok. I know norogonek borok songo. Ang doctor de porinai, engineer de porinai, teacher de you don't know anything. You always ask your seniors, parents, interaction like that. Don't only play with mobile. Mobile will give you so much of information. Mobile misleads people sometimes. Stay away for some time from mobile until unless you don't need it. You don't need to buy books also at times. I tell you, there are students. The other day I was chatting with some law students. No, we don't need to buy the books. Google search kai jotto information man. Pistols namnani, bumas namnani porjonto Google search kai ke ruai. The other day I was reading Buma Bahike Islam, now I can make bomb. Because it was clearly given, step by step, how to make gun, everything is given. I regret zora zora sayadiba je kash mere zamane mein wo information agar milta hum aur acha karta. Ani zorawa nga information manke ang busur ka ham klay man ko. Now everything is in your fingertips, and I tell you, student ka ham hinjak man bo kaisa khaklap su go hai. Whole life you will boast yourself. Down student ka ham. Ar je borok gada bo jibono buino ke kirimang thinai ne. Newton ni third law sadinga kharnai bo. A plus B whole square sadinga kharnai hai. So in whole life you will become coward and you will not be able to boast yourself as a good citizen of the country. Kaisa student ka hamang busaman bo abo kom kogge. Sakriman ma borok gya. Sakriman mano. There are so many jobs. Tripura o onek borok sao government job nango. But other than government jobs, there are so many jobs. My nephew, I am talking about my nephew. Till the other day, sitting at home, he was earning more than 1 lakh salary per month. Because everything he manages through his laptop. Now Bangalore ko thana nangli, America thana nangli, and my dear students, onek company ni kotor building tabu office space bondo khai dongo tangi chai man, because so much of traffic in Bangalore daily feels like ox halika. How come that old man is also one of the students? I could hear, actually sitting here, I could hear your whispering saying that Mokha Boruni senior student Paibas Apaget. But he is not the senior student. He is the father of Gupimala Tripura. Secondly, Katrina Jamatiaro Pai Jokon Bini Memento received Klaina Paika. The announcer was asking for her parents. Bini guardian de tong basad. I think Bini bibizik basaka his sister. And again, from the dais, the dignitaries started talking to each other. How mother can be so young? So interesting. Tini oro tebo naithokkai jan klaiman kamu. See, I would request the officials from education department, please do your homework. High meritorious students Rwng. Tebochen encouragement Renani Bagai. We could have spoken about their background. Bahiklai Mocharairo, class 1, 2, 3, both school of Porika, how they slogged 91, 92, 95% Mannan Bagai. How they did the hard work, all such things could have been explained in shortest period of time. More than the students, Anglang Boroni guardian Rwng say, I really thank them. Most of the homework Serai Chigon Pro, I'm sure mother was running after the children, father was running after the children, tuition lang mathang. Timely my packet rima horoit muktri ni mas hosau. So it is not all about the student alone. Parents have greater role in shaping up the students' career and result. Plus Zara School of Rwng Nairokno. I was shocked not to see anyone receiving the felicitation memento from Kumpui Academy. Whereas we keep telling every time Kumpui Academy is one of the prestigious school run by TTAADC. CEO is sitting here. Honorable EM is also here. CM is also here. I think our focus also should go to Kumpui Academy. Kumpui Academy o class ma khlai nai ma cholri nai tinoro sasa academy ni kornodhar ora asubjak to bring up this school. I think they need big congratulations and thanks from our side. As Zaga Buano Salsa Sai nobody bought that land because the land was sloppy. With very cheap rate, he could buy that land and he started building his school. Tini Kumlungo Jodi, anybody talks of good school, I think Sasa is also one of the good schools in Kumlung. So this is all hard work. And I tell you, Tinizara, some of you, 92%, 91%, Maninjaro, but the challenge is ahead. The moment you enter in your college or in school, another challenge you will get now. Pori Puru Kaisa challenge, Pori Bhai Pai. There is another challenge. MA Klaijak, Net Klaijak, Charerok Chakri Manjait. And I tell you, you must prepare yourself. Ang Tripurao Asaika, Tripurao Porika, Tripurao no Chakrimana Nangnai. Please don't have that mindset. Always dream big. I tell you, you should dream big. Some of you, meritorious students, you are sitting here. You think that one day I'll work in United States of America. One day I'll go and work in Australia. Khoroksa Chakma, the class 12 pass clay auxilium ni. She's getting training to become pilot in Florida. Amti hai zil tongna nangnai hai. Kaisa opening song resab dinka. That opening song is also not perfect, I am telling you. That is not 90%. Opening song, it should be really opening song. I was telling Honorable EM Education, music sungmo, buini nungmang nukhablait. Music kahamna nangna, and music also speaks a lot. Kumpui Academy wo. Nini class thick moto kaisa kya sungnu ko haite. And we are running Kumpui Academy. Agami din Kumpui Academy ni